This is tutorial number 62, and it covers how to use the Tritangent Fillet feature within Catia v5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 59, which is located on the DVD. Now the Tritangent Fillet feature can be found in the toolbar on the side here, or if you go to Insert, Dress Up Features, Tritangent Fillet. Now a Tritangent Fillet will allow you to select two faces you want to fillet, and it will ask you to remove one of the faces to allow the fillet to occur. Now to do this, let's click the Tritangent Fillet, and let's choose this face and this face to allow the fillet, and we'll remove this face here. Click OK, and we get our fillet. So these Tritangent fillets, they're another unique type of fillet that we're able to apply within Catia. Now let's revolve around to the other side, and let's do it again here. We'll do the Tritangent Fillet, click this face, and we'll remove this face. Click OK, and we've done the same thing. Now let's try the same thing, we'll do it on the bottom here. So click the Tritangent Fillet, we'll click this face and this face to fillet, and we'll get rid of this face here. Click OK, and it's wrapped itself around there again. So we have another unique fillet, and with these two fillets coming together, you get unique curves and unique dimensions here. Now we'll rotate around here and we'll do the same on this side. So we'll click the Tritangent Fillet, click this face to keep, this face to get rid of, click OK, and again we got another unique design. So you can keep going around and playing with all these fillets, and you're going to keep getting these unique fillet types and fillet looks. So with the Tritangent Fillet, you have to select the two sides that you want to fillet, and then one side that allows to be removed to allow the fillet to occur. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the Tritangent Fillet feature within Catia v5.